The Earth is in trouble, but hope is not lost. Across the globe, massive restoration projects are breathing new life into dying ecosystems, reversing decades of damage and inspiring a new generation of planet protectors. Today, on Globe Pulse Facts, we uncover the 5 most epic Earth-healing projects reshaping our planet's future. Imagine a wall of trees stretching across the entire width of Africa. That's the Great Green Wall, an 8,000-kilometer-long effort to combat desertification. This project is reviving the Sahel region, creating jobs, restoring degraded lands, and giving hope to millions. So far, over 18 million hectares of land have been restored, and nearly 350,000 jobs created. This wall isn't built of concrete, it's built of life. Project 2, Ocean Cleanup by the Ocean Cleanup Project, 4 AC 630. Voiceover. Next, let's dive into the oceans. Literally. The ocean cleanup is using advanced technology to remove plastic from the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. What started as a dream by a 16-year-old has grown into a global marine revolution. So far, over 200,000 kilograms of plastic waste have been removed, and they're scaling up fast, aiming to clean 90% of ocean plastic by 2040. Project 3, China's Loess Plateau Restoration, 639 Town. Voiceover. What happens when an entire landscape is brought back from the dead? The Loess Plateau in China was once barren and eroded. Now it's a lush paradise, thanks to one of the largest land restoration efforts in human history. Millions of trees, new farming techniques, and natural water systems have restored fertility, lifted communities out of poverty, and even changed the regional climate. Project 4, Iceland's Orca Carbon Capture Plant, 9 through 11 Decas. Voiceover. What if we could pull CO2 straight from the air? In Iceland, they're doing just that. Orca is the world's largest carbon capture facility. It captures carbon dioxide and stores it deep underground, turning pollution into stone. It may be early days, but Orca has shown that tech and nature can team up to clean the skies. Project 5, India's Kaveri Calling, 11 to 1330. Voiceover. In southern India, rivers are drying up. But one campaign, Kaveri Calling, aims to plant 2.4 billion trees to revive the sacred Kaveri River. It's led by farmers, powered by youth, and rooted in ancient wisdom. With 125,000 farmers already transforming their land into agroforests, this movement is recharging water tables and preserving ancient ecosystems. From Africa's deserts to India's rivers, from the Pacific Ocean to Iceland's volcanoes, Earth is fighting back, and we are helping. These 5 projects prove that restoration isn't a dream. It's happening now. The real question is, what role will you play?